Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another video. We're back once again. And as you can tell from my 370Z here, there's a little something different about it. And that would be the headlights and the taillights. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show you what I've done recently to the car when it comes to headlights and taillights, which ones I purchased and what they look like. All right, so taking a closer look at these headlights, these are the Morimoto XB LED headlights. And what's really cool about these is not only do they look amazing and they have a really nice smoked housing on the inside, but they have sequential turn signals and daytime running lights built in. So basically this line right here is the daytime running light that will always be constantly white when you're driving, and when the car is on as well, because it is connected to the starter fuse. So it's pretty much always on whenever the car is on. Now these OEM daytime running lights only operate when I'm in drive, whenever I'm moving the vehicle. So reverse as well, I'm sure these come on, but I haven't tested that. But I know for drive, these turn on. So this will always be white whenever I have the car on, and this will be on whenever I'm moving. So this right here, this line also is the turn signal. So it's sequential. So I can basically have it start from the bottom there and go all the way up in kind of like a pattern. And I'll show you what it looks like here in a second, but that is my turn signal. The headlights are these three bulbs right here, as well as the brights. So it has kind of like a dual function. It does both of them. This right here does light up, and it only really lights up on the side. The same thing for the tail lights back there. But I really think that these headlights really look nice on the car. I believe that they were a very good purchase, but they were very, very expensive. I mean, $1,400 for headlights. Yeah, that's pricey. But I purchased them for the car because I knew that it would look good with them, and it matched the taillights, so I kind of had to. I tried blacked out housing headlights, and the ones I got from this guy, they were just all cloudy and foggy, and they just didn't look good. So I upgraded to these, and I have to say that I'm very, very pleased with the way they look. Now the install process for the headlights on this car, you have to take off the whole front bumper, which is kind of a pain in this car because I have the undershroud on the bottom, the aluminum undershroud from Z1, and basically it's a pain, but I got it done. So once you install the headlights, you have to actually wire it up to the fuse boxes by the battery, and you have to tap into the starter fuse. And you only have to do that if you want the daytime running lights, which obviously I wanted the whole package, so I did that. But it was a pain. But I got it done, so it's all good. But going around to the rear of the vehicle here, these are the same brand, so Morimoto XB taillights. So with these, you can tell they look nothing like stock. And that's what I really like about it. You know, it's got that nice smoked out look, which actually looks really nice on the gunmetallic color of my vehicle here. But the sequential turn signal goes from there to there, so it goes up and over. And I'll show you, like I said, what it looks like, but that's your sequential turn signal right there. This right here is your brake lights and running lights, and then right there, that little strip down there, that's your reverse. Something I did to match the taillights on this vehicle was actually that fourth brake light down there. So if you guys remember, I had a fourth brake light before. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen the photos of it, but the one I have here now is a fully smoked version. The one I had previously, it was red around and then smoked in the middle. So for this fully smoked one, because I had already run the wires up and tapped into the brake light, I didn't have to do that with this one. So basically I just cut the wires from the previous one and then tapped into those wires and then ran it down here. So it made the install much simpler, and I think it looks good. I think it matches the taillights really well, and the overall look of the car is drastically improved with these headlights and taillights. So I'm going to go around here and turn the hazard lights on so you can kind of see what it looks like. Alright, so we'll start with the taillights. So this is what my turn signal and hazard lights look like. So like I said, it goes up and over. Looks really nice. This is what it looks like from the back altogether. So I think that everything on the back end of this vehicle really ties in and it looks really nice. If we go at the front, by the way, I have these side marker lights, also from the same company, Morimoto. So instead of the stock setup where the back circle part lights up, the Z itself lights up instead. So I think this really looks nice on this vehicle. Coming around to the front, these are my turn signals. So it just goes up in a sequential pattern like that. This is what it looks like from the very front. So overall, I think these headlights and taillights were definitely a good buy. If you want to purchase these all together, Z1 Motorsports does have an entire package you can buy, which includes the headlights and taillights, but I mean it's over $2,000. So I had to do the taillights first until I had money for the headlights, and then I just kind of went from there and installed everything, and that's how it looks. So hopefully you guys like the way that my 370Z is progressing right now. As far as looks go on the outside, I'm pretty much done with the way I want it to look. I've done a couple other things to it, but I'm going to go into that in another video. But this video was basically just showing you the taillights and headlights. I do highly recommend that you purchase these, but only if you have the money. You know, don't go into debt for these. It's not really worth it for that. But I really like them. I think they really tie the car together, and really happy with my purchase. It's just very, very pricey. So, but also, real quick before I end the video here, check out this shirt that I got. It's a 370Z shirt, kind of like a retro look. This is one of my newer shirts that I purchased. You know, kind of like rocking that 370Z vibe. But yeah, I like the shirt. I like the way that my car looks. Everything's good. With all that being said, hopefully you have enjoyed today's video. I'm going to end the video here and, you know, make some other videos while I'm out here enjoying the weather. It's really, really nice out today, so might as well shoot some more videos. But with all that being said, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more content regarding my 370Z or just anything in general. Just let me know in the comments what you would like to see. But yeah, I'm going to wrap it up here. Thanks for watching.